Feeling overwhelmed? Like your mind just won't stop racing? I get it. What if I told you there's a way to hit pause on the chaos and find peace without needing hours of meditation or fancy tools? Stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to share 3 simple mindfulness techniques you can use anytime, anywhere to calm your mind and feel more grounded. Hey, I'm Mila Faye, and I'm all about helping you create a more inspired and mindful life. If you're ready to get a handle on all that inner chatter, this video is for you. I'm going to make mindfulness simple, practical, and actually fun, because we all deserve a little more peace in our day, right? Here's the game plan for today's video. First, I'll quickly explain what mindfulness is and what it's not. Then I'll walk you through 3 simple techniques you can start using right away. I'll even share a quick personal story of how mindfulness helped me through a really stressful time. Sounds good? Let's dive in. All right, let's start with the basics. What is mindfulness? Well, at its core, mindfulness is just being fully present in the now, not stuck worrying about the future or the past, replaying it, noticing your thoughts, feelings, actions without getting swept away by them. Now let's talk a little bit about what it's not. It's not about just trying to clear your mind or force yourself to stop thinking. That's not really realistic. It's also not about just being positive all the time. Also not realistic. It's definitely also not something that only yogis or gurus or monks can do. But now it's time to get practical, because that's what you came here for, right? I'm going to share with you the 3 simple techniques that I've been talking about. Here is the first one. These have literally changed my life. The simple body scan. We can always take time out of our day, even if it's 3, 4, 5 minutes, to just check in with our body. Body scan is a good way to drop out of our minds and into our body and touch base with what's going on. All you need to do is find a quiet spot, sit down, lay down if you can, and close your eyes. Start by just breathing in and breathing out. Start to drop out of your mind, out of your head, into the body. And you can start with the crown chakra up at the top of your head and just start to do a body scan. Start to see what the sensations are in your body. How's your head feeling? Is it pounding? Does it feel good, clear? Now drop down into your throat, your lungs. Big deep breath in. Grateful for these lungs that bring me breath every day. Your heart that pumps the blood that keeps you alive. Stomach that consumes the food and digests all of the living force that we put into our body. How are our arms and our hands that take us through every day feeling? Are we loving them? Are we cherishing them? Moving down into the pelvic area. How are your hips feeling? Have you moved them lately? Wiggle your body. Start to feel those sensations. How are your legs feeling? Your knees, your joints? How are your toesies and your feet feeling? The feet that carry you through, that you wake up and put down on this beautiful ground every single day, that get you from point A to B to C all the way through every single day. Thank you for our beautiful feet and our legs that carry us through. I used this technique last week when I was working at my desk with my clients, and I was clenching my jaw. I noticed that my shoulders were up like this, and I did a quick 2-minute body scan, and I had been sitting in such a tense position for so long. It was so good to just take a deep breath and drop my shoulders and unclench my jaw, and I felt instant relief. So try this right now. Trust me, this works wonders. You can do it anywhere, whether you're sitting at your desk, in bed, or even in the middle of a hectic day. Okay, next, we are going to do some breathing. Yes, you might be rolling your eyes, you might feel a certain way about this, but the breath is what keeps us alive every single moment that we are here on earth. So let's tap in. This one is super easy and super fun. I really love this. This is one of my favorite. It's called box breathing. I like the 4-7-8 technique. So what we do is we do big, deep breath in for 4 seconds, hold at the top for 7, and then release for 8. These are just small steps, but they start shifting your focus from external chaos to your inner world, which creates more inner peace. Now, one of my absolute favorite tools, if not my most favorite tool, which is affirmations. And if your mind is constantly filled with anxiety or feelings of being lost, it's because those thoughts are on repeat, right? So we're just repeating the same perpetual thoughts of negativity all the time, and we need to break that cycle. So in order to break that cycle and create a new, more positive cycle, we need to replace those thoughts with more positive ones. And it's not always just positive thoughts. It's the feeling in the affirmation and tricking your subconscious mind to start to believing these. So the more frequently we can practice them, the better. You can start with a couple simple ones. Here are 4 that I use that I love. The first one is, I am safe and secure within myself. I am safe and secure within myself. The second one is, even in the midst of chaos, I choose peace. Even in the midst of chaos, I choose peace. I trust myself to navigate the unknown. I trust myself to navigate the unknown. No matter how lost I feel, I'm always on the right path and I am protected. No matter how lost I feel, I'm always on the right path and I am protected. Now, I know affirmations can feel weird at first. I get it, I do. But if you repeat them daily, like I said, we're going to start to rewire your brain. We're going to start to trick that subconscious mind to actually believing these are true. It shouldn't take too much time as long as we're open and willing to receive this new information. We are replacing old negative thought patterns and belief systems that no longer serve us, and we're replacing them with ones that do. So there you have it. 3 simple mindfulness techniques that can get you through every single day. You can choose to do one of these or all 3 every day, every other day, as much as you possibly can. Try to incorporate these into your routine. They will benefit your life so greatly. I can promise you that. And definitely send this video to anybody else who needs assistance in getting grounded and simple mindfulness techniques. We are here to create a community, to support each other, to love each other, and to continue to grow. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and send to all your friends and family because they all need a big hug of love too.